jersey number 1, Martin Luigi. And jersey number 15, John Moriel Silvino. First 5, jersey number 29, LJ Dimitri, John Carl Dimitri, wearing jersey number 31, Rich John Fernandez, and jersey number 10, jersey number 17, Dom Andre LJ Arcangel, and the head coach from the Team Gray, Rich Balingin. And now from the Team White, wearing jersey number 8, Kian Bondo. Wearing jersey number 3, Macho Raylo. And jersey number 1, Nate Owen. Jersey number 20, Ian Ramos. And wearing jersey number 4, Estum Dimitri. And this is the first prize from the white team. Wearing jersey number 5, Season. And wearing jersey number 24, Emboy Ramos. And jersey number 7, Ian Borbon. Wearing jersey number 28, Vincent Panera. And jersey number 18, Justin Paluyo. And the head coach from the Team White, Mr. Jonathan. Both teams, shigans tayo. Both teams, shigans po tayo. Sige, all players, stay lang upugan din muna ng court. Jersey number 17, Dimitri. Jersey number 10, legs up, is no good. Put back on jersey number 10, it's no good again. Borbon. Borbon to jersey number 5. Is no good. Gone by Hidalgo. Jersey number 17, Dimitri. Dimitri lays up. Is no good. Is still on jersey number 17. Number 1. jersey number 4. To Bourbon, jersey number 28. This na good, rebound by Hidalgo. Dimitri raise up. Open from Dimitri. Jersey number 18, Baluyot. Baluyot from the down. It's an air ball. On the ball by Dimitri. Dimitri to jersey number 10. Jersey number 29 from the down. Bourbon to jersey number 4. Shot clock at 14. And power guys drop. Dimitri. Hidalgo from the downtown. It's no good. Double jersey number 4. Dimitri. Good for one. Double jersey number 29. Dimitri. He lays up. Open from jersey number 20. Bourbon to jersey number 18. Back to Bourbon from the down. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Dimitri. To jersey number 17. Hidalgo. Last and final free throw. It's a shot to make to Hidalgo. Score natin. 10 natin. Shot at 10. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Dimitri Fernandez, shot clock at 14 seconds. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 2. Dimitri. Here's number 18. Dimitri, jersey number 29. To Hidalgo. Here's number 2. Jersey number 20. It's no good. Fernandez. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hidalgo. 3. Jersey number 5 is up. It's still no good on team right. Hidalgo. Foul committed on jersey number 7. Baluyot to Bourbon. Finally, 2 points on Bourbon. Dimitri lays up. It's no good. Sige, good ba yan? Jersey number 10. Lucky bounce. 2 points on jersey number 10. Yeah. Special shot. Special mention po kay Edwin Badyok 10. Zoro. Angela Dimitri. Dimitri. Jersey number 18, Baluyot. Score natin 22. Baluyot from downtown is no good. Dimitri. Dimitri jump. points na lang limit. Yan, tamang tawag. Gandok sa balon. Magandang pasa. Magandang may pasa kay jersey number 5. Balon. Jersey number 28. Result. Jersey number 20. Tiger. Shot clock at 14 from Steph Curry range. Shot clock at 14. Panel. Magandang piyak. It's not good. Good naman jersey number 20. Wala pa rin. Double jersey number 20 again. Double jersey number 20. Pulang jersey number 18. Exactly 2 minutes. Mickey, jersey number 91. Hidup Boyan, Hidalgo. Isi po ng Hidalgo. Warning for penalty. Shot clock at 14. Baluyot, release up. This is not good. Bagay jersey number 1. Dimitri. Dimitri lays up. Racing na good. Rebound by Panel. Panel lays up. Still na good ang Panel. Rebound by Bernadette. Dimitri. Dimitri. Para shot yan. By jersey number 20. Balut. Exactly 1 minute play. 55 seconds. Dimitri lays up. This is not good. 50 seconds. Three. And there's number 9. 30 seconds. Five seconds. This is not good. Shot lines up na tayo. 17 seconds. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dimitri. Tetap. Dimitri. Maliba. Shot clock at 14. Tulog po. Ising na good. Ibang pa Hidalgo. Black on jersey number 5. Ising na good. Ibang pa Hidalgo again. Hidalgo lays up. Ising na good. Hidalgo again. First possession ng Team White. Second free throw is na good. Baluyot, Bourbon. He's still on the go. Hidalgo. Hidalgo, shot clock at 14. Shot clock at 10, 9, 8, Hidalgo from the down 3! Yan, isang magic ball and jersey number. Person new, team foul number. Number 1. Bourbon from the down, is no good. Rebound by jersey number 5. Yeah, tama down. First is no good. It's great on 6. Go again. It's no good. Rebound by Bourbon. Bourbon. The season. It's a turn up. Jersey number 15. Jump. Go pass on jersey number 15. Jersey no good, the ball by jersey number 12. Bullet. Jersey number 28, Panera. Shot clock at 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7. It's a lucky bounce on Panera. Number 1, block on jersey number 20. Great jump, this no good. Same ball. Fernandez. Hey, down lang. Put back on the play is good. It's an N1 play.
23.
Fernandez lays up. Ramos. Fernandez. Ramos again. Panera. Shot clock at 14. Baluyot. Shot clock at 10. 9. 8. Pass on Baluyot. Ibigay black on goal sa number 28. Bourbon. Shot clock at 14. Bourbon to Baluyot. Bourbon sa Baluyot.
Baluyot na yung gaya ganyan din.
Number 15 to Dimitri. Dimitri, shot clock at 14. Fernandez from the down. Here's not good. Rebound by Baluyot. Dimitri lays up. Here's not good. Rebound by Bourbon to Baluyot. Baluyot lays up. Is clear. Yeah, tama yan. Ikaw buwang laser eh. Oh! Oh! Ramos is no good. Number jersey number 7. Black Fernandez. Jersey number 10 looks good. Dimitri. Good ball yan. Rebound by Bourbon. This is nabugan Bourbon. Rebound by Baluyot. Labasan Baluyot. Mama Michael J. Balut. Still on 4-1.
Pagkisaya namin tambakan din.
Sinamo tayo.
Kung sinamo.
Shot lang at 14. Hidalgo. The big boy. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Hidalgo from the downtown is the good. Bombay Ramos.
Ano yung pa-jet nila naging damulagan ko eh.
Exactly 2 minutes. Number 4, Dimitri. This is the good. Bombay Panera. Dimitri. Dimitri. 97-point lead ang kalamangan ng Team Gray. Hidalgo. Shot lang ang 14. Hey, good ball yan. 4 shot kung tinira mo, sir. Paner. May Balut.
Yan yung Balut.
Makmakot ang putus.
Cobra.
Hidalgo. Pangali. Complete and one play. Balut. Balut again is no good. Rebound by Hidalgo. Woo! 55 seconds. Balut from the down is no good. Rebound by Dimitri. 50 seconds. Good ball yan. Babay Dimitri again is no good. Put back and look po is good. Balut. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 9, 20 seconds. Paner is no good. Shot clock is up there. 16 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panero lays up, it's no good. Bombay Fernandez. Lutu. Dimitri. Shot clock at 14 to Hidalgo. All ball ang kuha. All ball ang kuha. Ramos. Season is no good. Rebound by Lutu. Lutu to Dimitri. Hidalgo. Power shot dyan. Put back on Fernandez is good. Sino sir? Pwede kayo pong magilabas ng Gray ang gagawin. Gray! On Panel! Dimitri. Dito Hidalgo. Ayan, tama. Season. Jumbo yan. There's another Baluyot, masyadong mabilis. Upaner, it's a N1 play. Now, kumida ng jersey number 31. Dimitri to Hidalgo. Dimitri from the downtown. It's no good. Gone by Borbo. Borbo the jersey number 20. To Baluyot. Lays up. Opens up Baluyot. Jason Castro ng Villafranca. Baluyot again. Yeah. It's a duty foul on jersey number Borbon. Panel from the downtown is not good. Rebound by Latu. Dimitri. Peter Dong Bondok. Baluyot to Paner from the downtown is no good. Rebound by Hidalgo. Fernandez back to Hidalgo. Shot clock at 14. Dimitri from the downtown. 3. Borbon manding the ball to Baluyot. Oh, ball from Paner. Nice give and
Ito mo
go.
lagi, oh, ma-open na lalam.
Jersey number 31, Fernandez. Back to Dimitri. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Hidalgo from the step by the range. 3. Ramos. Borbon. Bukaner. Back to Ramos. Shot clock at 14. Ramos from the downtown.
Emboy.
Hidalgo. Hidalgo ba din? Dimitri, shot clock at 14. Back to Hidalgo from the downtown. 3! Nagkakabawian ng tres. Baluyot. Ang hirap ng tira. Masok. 19. Hidalgo. Balik kay Lutu. It's not good. Babay Lutu. Shot clock at 10 seconds mark. It's a traveling violation. Paner is not good. May foul dyan. Ramos from the downtown is no good. Babay. Dimitri. Jump is no good. Rebound by Dimitri again. Nakakuha ni Paner to Ramos. Ramos to Borbon. Lays up. Very good ball yan. Very good ball Borbon. Still on Borbon. To Baluyot. Very good ball yan. Iba yung binang Gaser. Hidalgo from the downtown. This is not good. Rebound by Borbon. To Paner. Ayan ang kawan. Ramos from the downtown. Masyadong
tricycle.
Dimitri. Yan, tamang tawag yan. Offensive foul on jersey number 29. Balut. Dimitri from the down. It's no good. Shot clock at 14. Okay, gabi mo gasan. Good ball yan. Gabang tayo lugtog.
Third.
Ramos, official score natin, 62, 49. Nothing point lead by the Team Gray. Look to Paner. Shot clock at 13 seconds. Paner leads up. Ano na po, Tinorenay. Master of Lato-Lato. Yeah, good ball yan. Fernandez from the downtown. It's no good. Ramos. Balut. 2 points on Balut. Exactly 2 minutes.
Kaya sa'yo mag-pass break
Fernandez. Balut. Pulang Fernandez. Mas malit. Isa lang. Ito lang ang pinasok niya. 63 pa lang. 2 points on Balut. 63-53 niyan. 63-53. Hidalgo. Jersey number 15. 2 points on jersey number 15. Exactly 1 minute to play. 2 points on Balut. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Shot clock at 14. Shot clock at 10. 35 seconds. Shot clock at 5. Reset tayo. Shot clock. This is no good. Put back on jersey number 5 is good. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Malas.
Balut. Bilang jersey number 15. Hidalgo. Dimitri. Shot clock at 14. Dimitri. Shot clock at 10. Shot clock at 5, 4, 3. Shot clock at tayo. Balut. Hidalgo. It's a N1 blade. It's no good. Rubambay. It's number 20 to Bourbon. Wakan Fernandez. Bourbon. Dimitri. Fernandez. offensive foul at jersey number 17.
Yes, Saktor!
Kanan. Balon. Ayan, tamang foul din. Dimitri. Dimitri, shot clock at 14. Fernandez. Shot clock at 8 seconds. Four, three, two. Ramos. Counter still on Team Gray.
Sulsulan, Dep! Sulsul!
First is Nugget. That is big. Dimitri. Shot clock at 10. Dimitri, lumipata. Lumas ang Dimitri. Jersey number 17. Bonbon.
Lapag
Wala, 3 minutes, mahilo.
Paner lays up. Portion shot.
At yun na nga. Dahil sa nangyaring kaguluhan ay mas minabuti ng mga committee at ang mga officer na itigil na ang laban at itinanghal na kampyon ang Team Gray.
Right.